What's up? Welcome to another episode with your boy Franklin. I'm still in Nigeria, okay? I'm here at Kakanfo Inn Hotel in Ibadan. For those of you that might know Ibadan, right? So on the table here, we've got palm wine. They call this Akirengbe, right? We've got the palm wine in here. And I'm here with my friends. This is Bayo. Bayo, say what's up.
Hello.
And this is Silas.
Hi, how's it going?
Going good. So we've got what do we have?
These chicken wings.
Chicken wings, and then that's
pepper chicken wings, spicy.
Also having peppered chicken wings. Right, this is really nice. And then I'm having this, and I'm waiting for my pounded yam that will come in a few minutes. All right. So catch you in a bit.
This is pounded yam.
Yeah. This is my own food. Pounded yam with efo, elegusi, and goat meat, right? This is really nice, and I've got my palm wine here, man. So to see my efo elegusi, recipe, check through my videos. There's a link above or in the description below, and I'll see you in a bit. Boom. What's up? Right, I'm in the car with my friend Bayo. Here's Bayo. Driving.
Hello.
I got Tola at the back. I don't know if you can see Tola. And we're off to a prominent spot called Agodi Gardens, right?
Yeah, sure.
Right, so when we get to Agodi Gardens, I'll tell you a bit more about Bayo, right? We're childhood friends, as I said yesterday. And yeah, actually the video before this one was recorded yesterday when we were having a meal with another friend called Silas. So we will be spending a bit of time in Agodi Gardens, which is it's a nice place, a beautiful spot to spend time if you find yourself in Ibadan, right? So I'll show you around. But when we get off, right, I'll tell you a bit about Bayo, what Bayo does and stuff. And if you want to get in touch with him, why not? Okay? See you soon. Yeah. Whoa. So we're inside Agodi Gardens now, man. It's a beautiful place. There's a lounge in here too, man. GQ Lounge. I'd say, I think that's a donkey, right?
Yeah, that's a donkey. So you guys take it. Man made me one day. So I want boat, I want shooter boats here.
Yeah.
What's more? I want to
I will look for another place.
Yeah. Yeah. What's up, guys? We're still inside Agodi Gardens, and we're in the zoo area now. I'm heading to the zoo with Tola and Bayo. Yeah. So I want to go see. They're basically still carrying out some renovations in here. And there's a bit more animals coming through, as we got told by the people working here. So, but I want to go have a look. But in a couple of days' time, I'm going to go to another zoo area. Bayo, what's that place called?
Zoological Garden.
Zoological Garden, where? UI, University.
University of Ibadan.
Inside University of Ibadan, which is a major university in Ibadan,
Premier
right?
University in Africa.
Premier University in Africa.
Yeah.
Good. So I should go there in a couple of days and we'll buy a. Great. So yeah, let's have a look and see what they've got in here. Aha! quickly, let me tell you about Bayo. Bayo is my childhood friend, right? Tola here too is my childhood friend. So Bayo, tell them what you do.
I'm a civil engineer, to be precise. We deal with our designs of structures and roads, waterways, water systems. And if you want to build a house or something...
Bayo is based in Ibadan, right?
Yeah.
And he's quite flexible. The reason I'm saying this, I'm just giving my friend a big shout out, you know. That's what he does. He's a good guy, very reliable, repeatable guy. We grew up together. So if you got projects...
Building projects.
What type of projects?
Structures, to be precise. Building structures. Anything that comes to mind, Asami, that has to do with construction to be in
Exactly.
whole,
So this is the guy.
get it done.
He can supervise from start to finish. You do what sort
Project
of
manage, yeah.
Project manage building projects, okay? Hello. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Hello. Cause yeah, so he's just chilling. Get away from me, bud. Don't feel me. Tick, 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 tick. Hey, you like my camera? Huh? What's up, huh? What's up, homie? What's up, homie? Diggy, diggy, diggy. Mr. Monkey. Man, you got some red nipples, man. What's up? You got some big nipples, buddy. What's up with those nipples, huh? This guy looks mean as fuck. Where you lead you? What's up, bud? What's up? What's up? So, let me go see that bigger one. Yeah, man.
Lion and tiger. The lion and tiger.
They're huge. Where are the lions and tigers, man?
That's it. On here.
Yeah, okay.
Oh yeah, we always one double in.
I don't want to get ripped apart, man. That's a tiger right there. Yeah.
A tiger and a lion. The lion is lying now.
Rah! 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 Come here, buddy. Come say hello. What's up, man? Here's a parrot. A parrot. What's up, buddy? I come in peace. How are you? What you got in your container there? Some food? My name's Franklin. My name's Franklin. What's your name? Nothing? No? See ya. Oh, man. Massive. So, from the information that I got, there's a lot more animals still coming in. I don't know how soon that is, but yeah. Yes, big man.
There's a baboon inside that cage.
What, that cage?
Yeah.
A baboon. Where is it? What, here?
Yeah.
Under?
Come see the guy. You guys on hiding on that. Come. You guys hiding on that one blanket.
What's up, buddy? Well, that's a baboon. This dude doesn't look happy, man. That's a baboon, man.
Yeah, I used to come in there.
Is that the only one here? Just this one?
Monkeys not lower along here.
There's a warning. Do not throw any object at the animal or you might get shot to death. No, I'm joking. All right, bro.
Thanks, bro.
So what, I think it's safe to say this place is still under development, right?
Yeah.
With animals and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. So as I said, the zoo is basically over there. So it's still being worked on. They will be bringing. Oh, look at some donkeys, man. 3 donkeys. What's up, bud?
donkey.
Look at that, man. Donkeys. You can't touch them, can you?
What?
Ah, right. So what? They've got something tied on their hoofs. So what? They don't run off, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Holy moly. You have what?
Suya
So this guy here says he's selling suya. Suya and what?
Yeah, we have gizzard around. We go to meet assorted.
So if you come here, look for this man. What's your name, sir?
My name is Mohammed.
Mohammed. Look for Mohammed. What do you sell, Mohammed?
I'm selling suya.
Suya and goat meat.
Yeah, beef, goat meat, assorted, and all this is.
Bad guy. But unfortunately, we are not eating, but
Thank you.
nice one.
He sold you.
Nice to meet you, Mohammed.
Whatever you.
Delonix regia, common name flame of the forest. Yoruba name. Is it Sheke Sheke, I think? That's the Yoruba name, man. Sheke Sheke. Flame of the forest is an Indian forest tree which was introduced into Nigeria in 1899. It was planted as urban flowering tree, but today it has escaped into the rural areas as a result of seed dispersal. Delonix regia is commonly recommended for fuel wood. It's a very fast growing tree suitable for urban landscapes. This is it. Welcome to Nigeria. I'm proud of my heritage as a Nigerian by roots. It's a beautiful place, Agodi Gardens. I've known this as a kid, but it's been refurbished by the state government. So I just said to Bayo and Tola, let's hang out here today and see exactly what this place looks like. So yeah, we are at the gate area now and we're done. So we're gonna make our way to somewhere, go find some food to eat. And yeah, here's another tree. Scientific name Eucalyptus. Is it Torreliana? Common name Eucalyptus. A tree planted in 1958 at the beginning of Agodi Forestry Garden. The eucalyptus species originated from Australia, where it is common in the tropical rainforest zone. It's mostly found in association with the popular red gum tree, whatever that is. It can attain 30 meters and a girth of 1 meter when fully mature. Look at this, man. This tree is absolutely beautiful. It looks like oil painting. Let me get close. It's got several colors in it. Look at this. It goes way right to the top. It's a beautiful tree. But just look at the texture, man. It's got red, a bit of green, yellow. Who says Africa is not beautiful? You need to come home, man. You need to come have a look. Yep. So that's me done with Agodi Gardens, man. It's nice. I think we spent about what? Is it about an hour-ish? Yeah. So we're off to Kakanfo Inn. Just chill out.
For the palm wine.
To have some palm wine. It's nice. I think you must have seen that in the previous video, but we're going back there again to have some palm wine and hopefully some nicely made Nigerian food on top of all that after a long day. Okay, here we go.
Actually, this is called Kirigbe
Yeah.
in Yoruba.
It's palm wine. Nice. Yeah, cover it, man.
Naija, Senegal, Bobo, always in the Bobos
This is nice. Cold. Relaxing. Tasty.
Ibileish.
Listen, palm wine is beautiful, man. Have you ever had palm wine? Leave your comments below. This is nice. It stays in the fridge and they serve it chilled, right?
Yeah, sure.
Tola here. Tola doesn't like palm wine. Tola likes trophy. Omutini Tola.